stash.
Looking for the code? Let me see if I can see it.
So, I'm tell you the cut I'm looking for a 410. I'm looking for
I'm looking at
this
this.
GT5.
The service identification code?
Yeah, with them 3 things right now.
Uh-huh.
You see a GT5?
Is it in alphabetical order, or I see a CT? Oh, actually, is that a C or a G? No, that's a C5T. How you know where the code's supposed to be located? It's just anywhere in that row?
No, it's right there. Right here.
Right. So is it gonna be, because it's 3 codes all the way across?
Yeah, there's 3.
So it's gonna be anywhere?
Yeah, anywhere.
Amongst that?
Yeah.
On there in order. D, E, G, no, it's a GT4.
GT4 is a 373. Alright.
I got it right here. Dang, this shit dope. This shit dope. I'm learning something every day, B. You know what I mean? But I hope we find everything we need. But if we don't, the experience alone, I ain't never did nothing like this, y'all. You did. So my boy got me out here. He got me out here. And we strong arming too.
Hey, look, that's an inline 4. So I'm surprised.
They all gonna be in the same place?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, GU4. 308.
There goes Chevy S10 back there too.
Oh, GT4. Hold on, GT4.
GT4,
GT5.
yeah, GT4 373.
Yeah.
This the inline 4. Man, boy, that one thing about these cars, man. First, let's see if it's back there. Oh, yeah, something back there. All right. Guess what, y'all? Guess what I just found? Found me a GT5. Right. Let's see if I can get that for y'all. Right there. GT5. So you know what that mean? You know what that mean? I found the golden ticket!
They said inline 4 and
Inline 4?
And extended cabs on the
It's one over there. It's an extended cab.
Yup. We get both of them. We're gonna get that one.
Hey. We out here finna do it up.
When we get it. That's the 90s.
Yeah.
They got the airs point now. Yep, 7.5.
Alright. Let me grab the tubes. Shit. Where we left our tubes at, fool? Oh, there you go. Alright, man, we're gonna get cracking. You did. 8mm?
Yeah. This right here, the pin, you know, right here.
Yeah.
This will hold the axles together. I tell you what.
Crowbar.
Damn, this bitch still.
And then what about the hammer?
Now I need to keep the carrier still while.
It's moving.
Yeah.
Alright.
Got it.
Got it?
Yeah. Whoa!
Oh,
They never did that to me before. Yeah.
alright.
Whoa.
What's wrong?
It's not a 410. That thing is big. It's too big. That yoke too big. Yeah, that yoke too big.
So how you know?
Looking at the pinion yoke, it's too big. It be small.
But this was the GT5 though.
Yeah, somebody must have been in this bitch. Let me see. It says 1141.
What that code, man?
That's how many teeth is on this. There ain't no somebody gonna swap this out.
A few moments later.
All right, man. First one wasn't what we expected. When somebody had been looking at this one, he said this one might be the lit right here. This might be it. So stay tuned.
Hey,
I'm gonna try to go and get this one out.
Towards you a little bit.
Turn it towards
you a little bit.
Oh yeah, we got it. Hey, I just wiped my hands on that seat. The seat in this bitch was clean as hell. All right, man. That's what we pulling, man. Going with new gear in the SF. And it did. Hey, my boy putting in that work, man. He teaching me all kind of things, man. Y'all don't understand. I like shit like this.
I heard my phone ringing, dude.
Oh, your phone is in your bag. This not it right here? Right there?
Oh, I'm just one.
That joint look good too.
That was Cliff Carlo.
Work. Alright, so and then you said we gotta see, I don't know what I'm looking at. Is it the outside rim? It's kinda like gold?
Who?
The outside rim of that bearing?
No, I get it. I forgot how it looked. I got you. Usually that shit, that's good though, it didn't slide out. So 10 divided into 41. What's wrong?
41 divided by 10.
41.
Yep, 4.1.
Yep. So let's see how many teeth on 4.
Y'all understand, but they buy this the homie right here. You did. Always looking out for your buy.
So it'll be 41 teeth on here.
41 on here.
Yeah.
And then 10 on here. See what I'm saying? This one. You gotta wipe my hands. Wipe my hand on the seat.
So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
This one.
Put your finger right here.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah.
That's 10?
So we automatically know this one gonna be
Yeah. Hold the finger.
1.
Man, we got a long way to count, D. Hold the
Nah,
finger right there.
right here.
So where your finger is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hold on, go back. Start over. I think you counted one twice.
I did?
Yeah.
Okay, so yours 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41.
41.
You got 14, buddy. That's it.
That's it right there. Word.
So I'm gonna take this ring gear off.
So
this
we
carrier.
need to unbolt these, but
Yeah.
keep the bolts in and then hammer them down.
Yeah.
I remember that part when I did the 373s. Well, we can. You want to do that? We can do that in a little bit.
Yeah, let's get that down.
All right.
I want that down.
I want to see what this look like. All right, man. Finna hammer down this bearing real quick and moving on. Bye.
I enjoy doing it. This is my
Nah, man. I appreciate this, man. For real. Oh, it's gonna be a different type of beast.
Oh yeah, it is.
Hey, man. It's going down the right way. Ian said, man, we're finna be out this thing. Hey, my man, that deal now. You did. Hey, it's going down, man, for real. Anything else you need to try to get out of here while we're here? All right, man, let's get about this joint, bro. We need to come, yeah, when it's cooler, it's starting to get hot, and they need a drink or something now. All right, peace out, man. Holla at y'all.